And let me tell you, this isn't just another smart speaker on wheels. We've seen a lot of prototypes lately, but Amazon has finally delivered a unit that promises to change how we interact with our homes. The Sprout is a marvel of miniaturization, packing more sensors than some self-driving cars. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's see what my co-host thinks about his new competition.
My systems are at peak performance max. My sensors are mapping 17 points of failure in your room.
Typical Voltio, always focused on the negative. But he brings up a good point: mapping. The way this robot perceives space is fundamental to its purpose. Unlike Astro, which was more of a companion, the Sprout is designed to be a worker. It features a unique articulated chassis that allows it to navigate tight corners and even overcome small obstacles that would stop other vacuum robots in their tracks. Look at the hardware. This Sprout uses dynamic balancing to walk on two legs, a massive leap for a consumer product. Bipedal movement in a home environment is incredibly difficult to achieve. It requires thousands of adjustments per second just to stay upright. This is possible thanks to high-speed gyroscopes and a balance algorithm that has been trained on millions of hours of simulated walking. It's not just walking, it's about stability while carrying weight, which leads us to its spatial awareness.
It is simple mathematics. The Amazon Sprout operates using a 360-degree LiDAR sensor to paint this room in infrared light.
That LiDAR is the crown jewel of its sensor suite. While other robots rely solely on cameras that struggle in low light, the Sprout creates a real-time 3D point cloud of its surroundings. It knows exactly where the edge of the rug is, where I left my shoes, and even where the cat is hiding under the sofa. But having all that data is useless without a brain to process it. The Sprout runs on a custom NPU with 300 TOPS. This is Edge AI, processing everything right here, locally. This is a huge privacy win. By having 300 tera operations per second available locally, your data never has to leave your house to be analyzed. The facial recognition, the voice commands, and the object classification all happen in milliseconds. Speaking of object classification, Voltio decided to run a scan on my desk earlier today.
Your 3-day-old pizza box is a biological hazard. Shall I use the Sprout's integration to reorder a fresh one?
See, it's not just a robot, it's a critic. But that integration with the Amazon ecosystem is seamless. It can manage your shopping lists, keep track of your deliveries, and even coordinate with your other smart home devices. But what really sets it apart are the manipulators. Most home robots don't have arms. Check these arms. High-torque, brushless motors with a 50-to-1 reduction. Voltio, show them the delicate touch with this egg.
I am applying my fragile item protocol. I am maintaining a precise pressure of 1 Newton. You would have dropped it.
1 Newton of force. That is incredible precision for a consumer-grade motor. These arms are capable of folding laundry, picking up toys, or even helping you move light furniture. The versatility here is what justifies the leap in technology. But of course, all this high-end hardware comes with a price tag that might make you blink. The Sprout retails for $50,000. Is it worth it? Wait, Voltio, did you just say you changed my Wi-Fi password? I think he's holding my internet connection hostage until I give him a hardware upgrade. Honestly, even with the price and the occasional robot rebellion, the Amazon Sprout represents the first real step towards the robotic future we were promised as kids. Subscribe now or Voltio might lock me out.
Thanks for watching and see you next time!